Testing, testing. Greetings. Just get everything up and running first. Anyways, back to work on my little game. Took some time away from my part-time work to work on this. Let's see, I'm still at UI, right? So let's take a look. What do I need to do? So I've kind of forgotten how the restart, no, the next level button works. I'm trying to figure out when this variable is assigned. So just give me a moment. This code is a little bit messy. Give me a moment, I need to turn on the fan. Okay, I'm back. Give me a moment, I need some time to figure things out. This gets triggered when I touch the door, so take a look at this. Target room. I see what's happening here. Okay, got it. Just a moment. Okay, let me see if this works. Excuse me. It's not looking right, what the hell? Oh. My bad. My bad. This one. What exactly is origin X and Y though? Oh, I see. I'll just use this for now. Quick and easy. Whoa, freak, what the hell is that? Okay. Let me... What if I do this? Can't read my own code, goodness. There we go. Seems to work. Seems to work. Good. That's one thing done. Let me just... do something. There we go. Return to menu button in level transition, that one is done. I'm told there's a bug, right? If you tap on the pause button right before the level ends, something weird happens. Let me see if I can reproduce that bar. Let's try reproducing that bar. Not sure if I can reproduce it. Let's try. Freak, what the hell? Accidentally clicked. Oh, the hitbox is still there. That's what he meant. Let me try again. Okay. So if I click here, what the? Yeah, the hitbox is still active. So let's try remembering the button placement. This is the restart button is here, home button is here, right? Okay. Hello, Captain Blade. How's it going? I'm trying to reproduce the bug that you reported. Something about the hitbox being active, right? So if I click on restart... Oh damn it! Why is it like that? Thanks for reporting the bug, by the way. I need to fix that. Let me see why that's happening. So I can make use of my debug console. Lock to screen. How goes your combat system, by the way? Fix the part in World 7 level 8 where you can jump out of the... Oh yes, I did that. I sort of did that. I'm not sure if that's a good fix, but I'll have to test it later. Jumping out of the world. You're not gonna change the combat system for the prototype, you'll change it later based on feedback. Oh, right. That's a good idea. You might add the combo attack to make it more exciting. Nice. okay. So when this is not moving, when the number is not ticking up, it means that the menu is not active. Let's see. Oh no, it's still active. Why did I not kill the pause menu? Oh, okay. I understand. I mean, I can write a quick fix, right? You know, I'll check if let me see. No, is this a good fix? Let me see. No, I should not even have the pause button be available. No, but let me write this quick fix first, you know, just in case. So, instant exists if the transition UI is around. What is the level transition UI? If it exists, I will destroy it. Yeah, that's a quick fix. But it's not the best fix because by right I should not even be able to trigger the pause button. So I need to actually work on that. Eh? No. It's destroy self. Okay. Auto close pause menu if in level transition UI state. There you go. So this will take care of itself, but let me think. Pause button. Who manages the pause button? I think it's game manager. Pause button. There you go. Pause button. Pause button. I remember there's somewhere where I turn the pause button off. Oh, there we go. On transition enter. See, this part is not the best place to do it. Let me see. Hello, Kalazor. How's it going? On transit, none. Enter. It's not a relevant bug, but if you lose the console, while the menu is open, you get movement. Oh, I mean the debug console? Right. I'll take a mental note of that. But if you close the console or the pause menu is open, you get movement. Oh, okay. Yeah, a low priority bug, I guess. That's more of a development tool bug. Time to get to anchor points. Oh, sounds fun. Yeah, I said it sounds fun. Building systems is fun, right? You know, it's just sometimes trying to make everything work with each other. That's the tedious part. And UI is tedious. Times 7. Trying to figure out what is the best way to do this. I want to make the button non-active. Alright, this is the place where I made the level transition UI. UI is fun. Every time you work on UI, you lose 10% of sanity. Yeah. You see, maybe I shouldn't be doing it in the... You know, in my pause menu, right? I had this... Pause menu is looking at the O level transition UI, so there's a dependency here right now. Now my pause menu depends on O level transition UI, which is probably isn't the best way to go about it. So what I can do is I shift this line out, take it out, and then I put it inside the game manager. So the game manager is the only one that has knowledge of both the level transition UI and the pause menu. So what I should do is this. If pause menu exists, and then I delete the pause menu. Auto close pause menu if in level transition UI state. Alright, let me try. Oh, freak! Why can't I just delete it like that? What the hell? Oh, I'm destroying the wrong thing. Oh my god. Oh my bloody goodness. I'm supposed to destroy the pause menu. I'm dumb. After this, I still have to go back to grading. That's too much to grade. Too much, man. Too much. I just want to work on my game in peace. Okay, there we go. There we go. Issue is gone. Ideally, the pause button should also disappear when I enter the door. Yeah, but you know what, maybe it's good enough for now, I'll just keep it like that. Let me think. Just give everyone an F. Let me see what happens when I touch the door, by the way. Touch the door. Actually, do I kill the pause button anywhere? Wow, goodness, it's so long. I need to put this in a different script, I think. Pause button. So I think I probably updated pause button somewhere. It's not here though. I think it's updated in step. Oh, there, here it is. I need to see where pause button is destroyed. I'll have to manage like code structure for my next project better. This one is slowly ballooning. Yeah. It's a bit weird that the cannon's aim arrows go through walls but not spikes. Goes through walls but not spikes. Oh, it's appearing behind the spikes? Okay, got it. I will look into that. Let me note that down. Cannon arrows should be drawn above spikes. There you go. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'll just write it down, you know, just in case, you know, when the time comes and I feel like it's worth fixing, then I will go about fixing that one. That means he will fix it. It depends. It depends. I'm updating the pause button here. Where's the part where I destroy it? Do I ever destroy it? I think so. I think I destroyed it somewhere. It's probably in the callback function of the button. There we go. Here it is. It destroys itself. It destroys itself. It destroys itself. Okay. No, it destroys the pause menu. Where do I not destroy the pause button? Or maybe I don't. Pause button dot active. Okay, I need some place to set it to inactive then. So here, right, go to next level. I should like disable the pause button here. Something like this, pause button dot Today's stream was late. Sorry about that. Yeah, this past few weeks is a little bit hard to keep to schedule. Like, I'm supposed to stream yesterday, but I couldn't. Thanks to all of the workload. You know, this project was supposed to be, like, originally I planned for it to be completed in 3 months. That's why if you compare the code base, right, of this project, if you compare it to my other project, which is Project Dungeon, right, the code is so different. In Project Dungeon, I try to do everything, like, right. I try to have like better structure, better managers. But this one, right, I'm just like hacking stuff in because it was supposed to be done in 3 months. But guess what? It's almost a year. God damn it! It's almost a year. It's a year and I'm still not done. How can this be? Active is equals to force. Visible is equals to force. Something like that? Glad you know. Thank you. Easy man, we can get some free time. Yeah, I hope so too. I really need the free time to finish this project. Then I can work on my new one. Even if it was supposed to be done in 3 months, you should have taken the time with structure for post updates if you ever decide to add them in. I don't know man. I mean for certain things yes, for certain things I can definitely have like structured them better. But if I had approached this project the same way I approach Project Dungeon, then I'll run into the same problem, right? Like of taking way too long. I mean, I'm already taking very long, right? Even though I coded this way. Can you imagine if I try to overly design my code? So, but you're not wrong. As one of the reasons why it's one of the reasons why for the game jam, right? I coded differently because of the updates with GML 2.3, right? It's allowed us to write our own structs and whatnot. So it's allowed me to also bring in certain design patterns that I used to employ for my like old projects, like outside of GameMaker. So I started doing that now, right? I think going forward, I will be using the same methods I did in the UFO game jam. All right. When will I work on monetization? I have to get money to buy dog. I know, right? No, but don't get me wrong, Colorzor. I'm not like writing rubbish code. Like I'm not saying like, oh no, let's get this done. Let's write rubbish. YOLO, YOLO. No, that's not what I'm doing. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just saying that there are certain things I probably could have done in terms of design patterns. Right, like certain things I did a bit late. So for example, my message bus and the sound effects manager, right, stuff like that was added in fairly late, and I don't really want to refactor it for the whole game. But yeah. right? For most part, I still try to reduce code dependencies, dependencies between objects. I try to reduce that. Not entirely successfully, but it's not like what you mentioned, right? Like, oh no, I'm just coding anyhow. That's not exactly what I'm doing. But you know, as the project gets bigger, certain classes or other certain objects starts to balloon a bit, and I think at that point maybe I can consider refactoring. But I'm really close to the end of the project, so I really don't want to refactor it. I don't want to refactor this. Would you refactor it if the project is like pretty close to finishing? Right? Would you risk it and refactor it, and then unnecessarily extend the development time? I'm not sure I want to do that, to be honest. Okay, which part am I at now? Alright. You've never got to that stage. Right. You will understand what I'm feeling at that point then. Yeah. I have been at the stage where I coded like a project, you know, for a few months, right? As a student. Coded it for a few months. And then I'm like, oh, this code is not good. I read this article, you know, proposing this particular way of coding. Let me try rebuilding the whole game. And then the game never gets done. Alright, so so I don't want to make that kind of mistake. I mean, that's the kind of mistake I make as a student. I'm not a student anymore, so I don't do that kind of thing anymore. But yeah. I'm aware of like what I need to improve on. Yeah, so for my subsequent project, I will be employing the same technique I used in the GX Gem. I think that one should be the right method. Like going forward, I should continue working that way, where everything is like pretty much driven by events. Yeah, I think that probably makes things easier to manage in the long run. You can open the pause menu, right? Oh, then it's done. Then it's fixed. Excuse me. There are cases like yours where you're kind of making yours from scratch, but you're not making. Oh yeah, sorry, I wasn't referring to you. I was just thinking about like how I did it in the past. Yeah, which is one of the reasons why I have a lot of like half-done stuff. Right, it's just never gotten to finish them. Yeah. But I have restarted project, right? Not because of design concerns, but because of coding concerns. I'm just saying that now I don't do that anymore. Now I don't think it's worth restarting a project because you think your code is a little bit messy. Yeah, I don't think that way anymore. 2 steps forward, 200 steps back. Yeah, exactly. After inventing yellow gear? For Game Jam, you kind of wanted to add some other stuff, but then it was like, oh, nah, let's fix it out and release. Totally not because of it. Yeah, I feel like the whole point of Game Jam is to get something up and running fast, right? Yeah. I would say one of the mistakes I've made with coding Jam Jerboa is that I approach it, for the first 3 months I approach it as if it's a game jam. Yeah, but then I never got around to refactor certain things. And by now, right, it's almost too late to refactor. So I'm just like trying to work with it. So that there's part of it that is properly structured, then there's other parts that is a little bit ugly. Right, like the code for the collision code is really messy. This collision is really messy. That part is like super ugly, right? But I don't really dare to touch it. I don't want to break it. You know. So yeah. If there's one part, if there's a portion of the code right in this project that is like filthy, right? It's definitely the collision code. Speaking of which, I will be rewriting my collision for my next project onwards, I think. Maybe not for the spaceship one, because the spaceship one is it's so simple. I don't need to have like intricate collision detection and response. But after that one, I'll have to rewrite it properly. I might want to do a swap AABB. I think that's what it's called. Swap AABB. I want to try that. Okay, what am I supposed to do now? I think I just fix another thing. You don't think you can relate? I see. Is it because you are big brain? Fix level 80 cropping issue. Yeah, why do I have a cropping issue? Ah. I think there are certain collision problems I face, right? That is due to the order of execution. Like when do I do response? When do I update the next object? So which is why next project onwards, I'm going to be coding the gameplay loop entirely inside the game manager. Right, I don't want to let GameMaker do the update event. So the only update event that matters is the game manager's update event, and then I'll individually update everything within the game manager itself. So I think that allows me to have better control over the sequence of events. I want to try that. I think that makes things easier to manage in the long term. You actually made your project as a top-down game before switching to side-scroller later. It used the same collision code, which is the messiest thing ever. Thankfully, it's better now. Aha, I see. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like, if we use like, suppose we have this code that is barely working, but we are using it, then it gets a bit scary, right? Like, if the entire game is built on top of it, you don't really want to touch it, because if you touch the collision code the slightest bit, it might break every single thing. But if we look up like games development in general, then I think there's a lot of AAA titles that is also like that. You know, that there are certain things, certain code within such a massive project, right, that is actually very, what do you call that? Very volatile. Level 80 cropping issue. Only thing you have left for our prototype is making the boss trigger with a cutscene, instead of just walking into the room and activating it. And the door object, and the name displayer for the boss. Nice! You're gonna do that Mega Man style boss intro. That warning, you know, that warning text label. I'm definitely going to do the definitely going to handle the ads in a more modular fashion this time around. Right, so that I can, like, if I need to change an ad provider, I can do it easily. That part I have to do it like extremely cautiously. That's the one that kills me, right? Every time I have to maintain it for Seer Scrambler. So in Seer Scramblers, I didn't implement it in a very modular fashion. So it's like difficult. If I want to refactor it, it's very difficult. I can do it, but it's time consuming. It's not the most fun thing to do. So this time around, I have to do it properly. So I have this ad controller I need to do up soon. Kind of like midway through writing it. You just need to position the right hand for each gun, the left and the gun position is fine as it is. You just need to position the right hand for each gun. The left and the gun position is fine as. Oh, right. I see. You're just thinking of having the boss name on the bottom right for a few seconds. That works too. That works too. I'm also thinking of like writing some kind of a generator for, like, I generate some kind of a boiler code. Is that what it's called? Boilerplate. I want to write some kind of a program to generate some boilerplate code for my FSM, because like I realize I have to type a lot for my FSM, and it's just very mundane stuff, right? Like on idle enter, on idle update, on idle exit, on run update, on run exit, on run enter. It's very repetitive, so I feel like I need to write something to generate that. Trying to make things a little bit more efficient, right, as far as the workflow is concerned. So it's exciting to think about all this. I feel like I want to try out all these ideas for my next project. Also at a point of development where I feel like I have enough reusable code scattered around for me to think about stepping back a little bit and reevaluate how I should design my code from this point on. The level 80 sync, that one, I have this problem. I'm not quite sure what's causing it yet. I think it might have been my screen resizer drawing over the level. Let me see how I should fix that. Oh, hey, Mittens! Hello, Mittens! How's it going? Advertise yellow gear on Janjoba. For example, the right hand when holding a pistol will be close to the left for a two-handed grip gun. And for a shotgun, for example, it will be further out. That's like balancing the gun. Right. Mitten's here. Mitten has been playing Carrion, published by Devolver Digital. Anyways, I'm just like working on fixing bugs. Let's see. Recovering from a cold. Oh no! How are you holding up? You're not American, so you don't know the technical names for gun stuff. Neither do I. You see this? This is the ugly part here. I'm cropping off the level like that. And I think it's because of this yellow thing here, so... But if I add this yellow part here, the camera is going to move, but I don't want the camera to move. How do I do it? So I coded it with a certain constraint. Now the constraint is working against me. So I have to do something about this. Alright, I can work around it quickly. Maybe. Let's see. After a good nap, feeling much better. 95% recovered, that's great. Drink more water. Wait, what am I testing? I'm supposed to do level 80, right? See, if I do this, then the camera will move. I don't want it to move. It's a bit annoying. Or maybe it can move. Actually, it can move, huh? I can just have it move, no need for me to fix something that's not worth fixing. No need for me to fix something that's not worth fixing. Oh, freak. Hydrate, yes, hydrate. Yeah, I think I can do it like this. Oh, it's a little bit laggy today, goodness. I think face rig is lagging my computer. I can fix it like that. Let me see what happens if I do this. I think I can do it like this. Let's check it out. Time for upgrade. Maybe. Nah, it's a little bit too soon. It's just my computer is not like super powerful for running multiple programs at once. And you know, when streaming we kinda have to do that. Yeah, but yeah, maybe next time. Maybe when I do my next when I buy my next laptop, I will get a better system. Any tips for vertical camera movement? The way you do it looks super weird. What do you mean? Oh, hang on. Let me see if I still have that project. Hang on, I have a old project that has a that I took a long time working on the camera system. Let me see if I still have it, yeah? Freak, where's all my projects? Oh, it might be in the hard drive, hang on. I don't want to check it out of my repository now. Where is my hard drive? Eating breakfast? Nice! Hang on. It feels weird when jumping. I think camera has to be very smooth, otherwise you can totally feel it. Hang on. Let me see, where's my project? Repo, found it. Yeah, there we go, I found it. It's called a Box Head Rebel, right? Let me just copy this project out. copying the entire repository. Not sure how big it'll be. Okay, it's out. Let me run it. I think it's going to ask me to convert to the latest game maker. Hate it when that happens. Yeah, so a lot of my old project needs to be converted. It's too smooth. Oh. What might the problem be? Why is Game Maker not booting up? Oh, there we go. I also have a problem with my Nvidia card. There's this no DC right here. I do not know what that means. I think it's something to do with Nvidia. Do I have to like restart my... Ah, crap. Do I have to reinstall my graphical driver? Okay, Boxhead Rebel, let me just convert to a new format. See, this is annoying, right? Like, all of the old format needs to be converted. What does that mean? Does it mean that I like if I want to update Serial Scramblers, I need to create a new repository for it now? Since I don't know like how much has changed, right? Okay, let me run it. Nvidia's a Marvel fanboy? What do you mean? Anyway, I have this thingy that I made a long time ago that I dropped very quickly. I spent like a couple of weeks on oh crap, it's not even working anymore. Freak. It's not working anymore. What? What? I have this camera system in there. Come on, why is it not working? No DC. Oh, I see. No DC. Damn, I didn't see it that way. No DC. Damn, after the conversion it stopped working. What the hell? Determine offset of this room so it joins seamlessly to the next room. So I think I did something about joining levels seamlessly, but for some reason after converting it stops working. Why? I bought this game room pack. Is this one working still? Converting be like that? Yeah, but I haven't seen this code in so long. Hang on. Let me see, room N, right? I even have this room scripts. This is a fake level right here. Why is it not working? It's the fake level. Room script. It's caught right here. Okay, let me just debug it. Why did it stop working? Just finished. Oh yeah, I'm just like curious as to why this stopped working. But now I can't stop thinking about this. Load next room. This thing is broken. Why? Line 12. This one is. This is refusing to. Wait, what? And then if I layer where room start and room end, I'll stop. Yeah, maybe next time I'll just write my own. Level generation. Okay, let me see if I can find a GIF. Just a moment. Bum, 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 bum. I kind of need the GIF to explain it. GIF? How do you pronounce it? I always say GIF. I think it's in Tumblr somewhere. Oh, okay, maybe it's not very relevant. Damn it, hang on, let me just... I'm not sure how relevant this is. You can kind of see the red line means I've reached the base of the base of the camera. Like the red line is where the camera will try to. Wait, how do I put it? Not the red line, rather the box here in the middle. This is the bound of the camera, right? You can call it the dead zone, I guess. No, the dead zone is the. Oh, let me think about how to explain this. The dead zone is the thinner rectangle here. It means that if you move within this thin rectangle, the camera does not move. But when you start pushing against the edge of the dead zone, that is where the camera will start moving. So in this case, right, the more I move to the right, the more I see of the right side. Yeah, but this is built pretty much for like horizontal traversal of levels. So as far as the vertical scroll is concerned, right, it only scrolls up when you push against the ceiling of this box here. The ceiling and the floor, right? So it's here and here. Yeah, I'm not sure if this helps. Like this illustration is how I did my 2D camera. Yeah, I wish I could have shown it in the game itself, but the conversion broke the entire project, and I don't think I will be going back to this project. I'm glad it helps. Yeah, I do want to make like a 2D action platformer with procedurally generated levels though. So this is my first attempt at trying to make something procedurally generated. Like the level that you're traversing through here, right, is actually built out of tiny prefabs. It's like I have like different chunks of level design, and then they try to they all they get stitched together. Yeah, but this is partially built with the game pack extension that I bought. I'm not sure if that is giving me the problem, like with, how do I put it? Like now I cannot even run the game without crashing, so I'm not sure if that the extension is the problem. But maybe it isn't. Maybe it's something else. But even if I'm not gonna use this code base for the project, right? I think whatever I've learned from here, I will try to re-implement them for the new project. Alright. Anyways, let me get back to this. I need to check level 80. Anyone seen the latest trailer for Spider-Man? I did not watch a single one of the Marvel Spider-Man movies. I mean the MCU Spider-Man movies. I've not seen any of them, but I'm pretty excited for the the Sam Raimi's Spider-Man. I think it's hinted that the characters will make an appearance in the movie, right? I mean, Dr. Octopus is there. Green Goblin is there. Is there a new Spider-Man? Yeah, the trailer just got released. I think it has to do with the multiverse, so it seems to... I think characters from the Sam Raimi's Spider-Man trilogy will make an appearance. I'm not sure about the Andrew Garfield one. Yeah, no idea. Yeah, I saw it on Twitter. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I need to go to level 80. I'm dreaming again. There we go. I think what I need is... Ah, damn. Okay, I think what I need is this. Like that. Like that, okay. Because I have my screen resizer object that would basically cover up all these blank areas with a rectangle, and it's at the moment it's covering out parts that I don't want it to cover, so I'm trying to work around it as much as possible, right, without writing code to quote unquote fix it. Can I work around it without adding any code? Yeah, it seems to work. Seems to work. Whee! Seems to work. That's good. Let me go to the pause menu and let me remove this. Thanks for catching the bug again. Yeah, it's very helpful. It's done. Another bug done. Fixed. What else? Why did I put it into test? It was supposed to be in progress. So this is fixed. You can open pause menu. Oh, this one is fixed. What do I need to do now? I don't want to work on anything too big because Dinner time is in half an hour. What do I do now? Color-coded portals, why do I do that? So, I was given a feedback, right, to color-code the portals because there's like multiple portals and sometimes it's not super clear which connects to which. So maybe I can do something about that. Color-coded portals. Let's see if we can fix that. That requires refactoring though. Auto graphics, there you go. I forgot how I drew it. See, I have this code here to make sure I don't draw too often. What happened to the music? Oh.
For your audience must be impressed or you're wasting.
Portal color, there we go. I hard-coded the color in here. If I make this a variable, I can easily change the colors of the portal. That's good. Okay, let's refactor this part. Let's see. Okay. What am I supposed to do again? Alright, it's my mockup. Oh, messy. There we go. Wait, I don't have a mockup for the portal. Right, because it's entirely drawn in shader. I remember now. Okay, but I need the colors, so let me just grab the color 119 35 242. This one. Portal color 1. It's a lot more saturated than I remember. 145 71 225. $71 225. These are two colors. Way more saturated than I remember, goodness. Okay, let me look for a level. Let me turn on the macro. No, that's alright. Let me just go here. Open up levels.ini. That should be enough. Is it this one? Is it worth 5? I think it's worth 5. Yeah, it's worth 5. Let me look for one level that has a lot of photos. Not this. Maybe the later ones. This one, there we go.
This is the same old crap over and over again.
It's 21, right? Uh, 21. Oops. There you go. So, I would want this color and this color to be the same, this color and this color to be different. But how do I go about picking the right colors, you know? Oh, I see what's happening here. Okay. Let me change the hue then. It's almost like too saturated. Let me see if I can tone it down. Oh, I can't see the difference between the two colors now. Damn it. Okay. Let's make a few sets of colors. Will the circle that comes up with the cannon have the correct rotation? It looks a bit weird next to the cannon. Will the circle that comes up have the correct color? It looks a bit weird next to the circle? Let me see what you mean. Looks a bit weird next to the cannon. Oh, like when you're holding down, there's a circle in there. Oh, what do you mean by rotating the circle? Hang on, eh? Let me run it and then we can take a look. Level... Oh damn, hang on. It's world 6, right? Level 37, let's go there. This one, right? So this circle? Pixar gets messed up. Yeah, you're right. I added it there for some additional feedback, but it's probably not the best looking thing. But I'm not sure what you mean by rotated though. I suppose I can use a different effect for it. Maybe not this wiggly lines. The wiggly lines might not look very well for it. Or I might leave it in because on mobile it's very small anyways. So I'm not sure. Let me think about that. Right next to the cannon as well, which rotates off grid. Right next to the cannon. Which I see what you mean. Yeah, actually, I tried getting the cannon to rotate while maintaining the same pixel scale. Basically, like pixel perfect, right? It looks very broken, so that's the reason why I didn't do it in the end. Yeah, I chose the lesser of two evils. Circle also looks very broken, right? Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, let me think about that one. Let me think about this one. The circle was drawn on the on a surface with the same pixel scale as the world, basically, which is why it looks the pixel size looks consistent, but you can tell like it's not like sometimes you get a missing pixel, I think. I thought like I can get away with like a somewhat rough looking circle compared to the entire cannon looking like really weird. Okay. Yeah, let me think about it. I will. If time permits, maybe I'll fix it. Yeah, if time permits, maybe I'll fix it. There's actually a lot of things that I feel like I can further touch up, but sometimes I have to make certain concessions. Otherwise, I'll never finish this. Okay, colors. Make harder levels? Not for this really. Yes. I have actually levels that is not included in the build, and those are meant for post-release updates. Yeah, I will be working on those. Why do I have this 0.8 and 0.25? That's weird. Get rid of it. What am I currently doing? I'm trying to allow for the colors of the portal be changed So if you take a look at this level, right, level 21. Level 21 is a level with a lot of portals getting rendered within the same screen, and it's not always very clear which is connected to which. So I'm trying to see if I can find the right colors, right? Give each pair its own color, but in such a way that it still works. It's confusing, right? Yeah, I thought I did enough to tell the player which is which, because most of the levels, most of those levels, right, have enemies passing through them. So there's this particular level where I have a lot of wait, let me draw it. So so there's this level, right, where I have like portal here, portal here, portal here, portal here, portal here, portal here, and I make it such that there's one enemy here, right, and then on the second row there's two enemies, on the third row there's three. And so when they walk through the portal, it's very clear which one they come out of. But I guess maybe that's still not enough. It's still not enough. If I change the colors, then it will be much clearer. Yeah. Read colorblind. Oh damn, you're right. But at least the level design still handles that. At least the level design still handles that. So there's two things to communicate one point across. You thought it was enough in your playthrough? Yeah, I personally feel that it's enough as well, because it at least get the player to think about it. But since I've received this feedback from the editors, I thought like, yeah, you know what? Let's make it easier for the casual players as well, So I'm gonna do that. Computer is lagging a little bit. Portal colors. Where should I? You know what? I have an ID in here, right? Let's see. Wait, Portal Graphics has no ID. Okay. It's default color. Oops. Default color. I'll have to change the colors from the old portal then. This is the first time anyone has told me the game is should be made harder. Usually with games I made, right, people tend to complain that it's too difficult. So it's a part of me that feels that find it a bit of a fresh air, like a breath of fresh air, that you would request that I make harder levels. That's nice. Lucius said the same thing. So I think this is the first time anyone has told me that about my game, which is nice. It means I don't have to worry about making things a bit harder for future levels. Oh, but even now, right, I already have people saying that it's, you know, some levels are a bit too difficult. Like people like John, I think John couldn't handle some of the levels. I think that's the thing about releasing the game on mobile. The player's skill range can vary quite a lot. So as much as possible, I don't want to alienate too many people, I think. If you've seen my post-mortem for Serious Scramblers, the retention rate for Serious Scramblers is actually pretty low. Half of the players who downloaded the game, right, like by the first level, they just quit the game, right? They couldn't handle it. I have people tell me the first level of Serious Scramblers was difficult, and that was like super surprising for me because have you all played the first level of Serious Scramblers? Like personally, right? Like, I couldn't see why anyone would think that it's difficult, but apparently it is that way for quite a number of people. Right, so consequently, the first world of Jam Jerboa, right, I think if you realize it's actually pretty damn easy. Right? At the very least, the first 6 level is very easy. And the level is so small that even if you restart it, it's not painful. So hopefully this will be a little bit more enjoyable for the more casual players. How should I do this part? There we go. This one. Let me think about how to organize this. Are you aware of the is this a legal syntax in GML? Can I do this? Arrays in arrays. Can I do it like this? Let me try building it. Let me see if this works. Lucius, I see that you posted some art, right, for your game. Which game is it? Have I seen it before? Okay, let me run this. I've not seen it before. Cool. Do you have anything else to show? Some prototype gameplay? Level 37. Let's go to level 37. Oh! 37 is wrong. 60. Oh, it seems to... Well, at least it didn't break, so I assume it works. Okay, I'm going to assume it works. There you go. Have I played Battleships? Yes, I have. Why do you ask? Yeah, you're talking about the one where you guess the coordinates, right? You know, the game that we play in primary school when we are bored. Have I played the one on Steam? No, I have not. Should I? What's so special about it? Has different characters and powers. Interesting. Let me look it up. Battleships Steam. What? Hasbro. Interesting. Interesting. It's $10 for Battleships. Commander's mode. Oh wow, there's different modes. Interesting. Did I play the one on Epic Store? It's pretty epic. Let's just have 3 sets of colors. Let's see if that's enough. Or maybe. Let's have 4 sets of colors then. Excuse me. Onto the hands. Alright. So, now that I have the colors, what I want to do, right, is I will... Hang on, let me check. Okay, there's an ID here. Target. I will... Okay, you know what? Number of colors. There's some naming inconsistency with how I name my stuff. If I want a constant, what would be a good naming convention for constants? Can I just capitalize everything? Let's do that. there isn't a way to like enforce and make it such that this identifier is a constant, right? I don't think so. I don't think that's a feature in GML. Let's just do it through naming conventions. Okay, array length. Let me double check and see what the actual array length is. I need to be sure. Like if it returns 2 times 4, then it'll be wrong. It's supposed to return 4. Let's see that. Whatever works for me. For macros, you use m underscore. Oh, m underscore in like people in doing C++, m underscore is used to denote the member variables, right? But you use m underscore for macros, okay? Local variable with an underscore, okay? Enums with an e underscore. I see what you mean. Okay, let's see. Go to 60. You probably should do global variables sg underscore. Oh, 4 is correct. Good. I have 4. Good. But why will you need to put g underscore for global when you can do a global dot? Or are you using this global var thing? Is this deprecated? Let me check. I think this might be deprecated. Is there a way to see it? It's not stated. Oh, it's deprecated. You might need to be careful. You never know when they're going to take it out. Yeah, I mean, deprecated means it still works, but in the future updates they might stop supporting it. I think when that happens, they might, they might do the usual thing, right? They go through your project and then just do a mass replace of the global var for you. If and when they take it out, you sort it. That's alright. You can make your own concession. Is that the right word to use? Hang on, my vocabulary is pretty bad. I guess so. I guess that's the right word to use. But I just thought it's a little bit funny that you're so all in about doing things the right way, but you still use this deprecated variable. A deprecated keyword is what I meant to say. You don't worry about doing things the right way. Oh, then I guess I must have misunderstood. Portal graphics dot what? Portal colors, there you go. Global dot each time is extra time for no reason for now if global var still works. Sure. It's your preference. Okay, then I'm going to assign the right color with target as the index. Oh no, why is it such a generic name, target? Hope there's no other variable called target in here. Okay, target mod number of colors. There we go. There we go. That should give me the right values. Fingers crossed. Hello, Albert. How's it going, Albert? How are we doing today? I'm just fixing like bugs, fixing minor stuff here and there. Like I've been trying to fix up this button. Hang on. So I fixed the button already. Like if I beat this level, this X button has come out. Like basically doing stuff to polish up the user experience. So previously the button wasn't there, so I needed it then, and it's done. Next up, I'm trying to make it such that my levels featuring portals, I want to make sure that the color is varied enough. So let me just go to level 21. Yeah, the color is different now, but I'm not sure if it's too colorful. I don't know, man. It looks a bit weird. Maybe I need to take some time to get used to it. I can make it a little bit more bluish. One at a time. I'm trying to color code it, but I'm not sure how to not make it look so bloody colorful. What should I do, man? I'm gonna get dinner. Ah, alright, see you later, Albert. What should I do, colors off? It's too colorful, damn it. Let me make the color variation a little bit more subtle. Let's just change the hue, I guess. Maybe keep them all around the same color, more blue / purples. Right. Right. Okay. How do I change the hue just very slightly? Let me see. Like that. Hang on. Let's change the hue by... Oh, what's this? Let's try -10. Is -10 too much? Oh, I don't know. It's so weird. You change the number in HB. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hang on, HBox meaning the hue, right? Is this okay? Let's try this. Okay. More purple, more blue. Let's try that. Okay. I hope this works, man. What was it again? Forgot the level. 21. Yeah, it's changed. I guess it's a bit better. A bit better. It's not super clear, but the difference is there. Hello, Joffer. Oh yeah, thanks. It's actually just a few sine curve overlaid on top of each other, and it's drawn in shader. Probably would have been cheaper if I just implemented it as a texture. You know what? I think I should do that as a optimization. I should do that as optimization. Yeah, why do it in shader? It's so expensive. I want to run it on Android phones, man. If the more pinks you were going with, it was too different from the current color palette. Yeah, I agree. You're right. Kinda make it seem like it's something more important than it actually is. That's a very good point. A very good point. I think the best way to optimize this portal is to implement it as a tolerable texture. Let me see if I can generate it in the future, I guess. In the future. I'll leave it as like one of the last few tasks. Color-coded portal done. Whee! I guess that's it. I shouldn't be working on any more stuff, right? I guess that's about it. Oh, by the way, I think Doom 64 is available for like what, around $1. If you're all interested, you should check it out. It seems pretty fun. Now ship? No, I can't ship. I cannot ship. Let's see stuff like this. Start the music at different points. I got quite a bit of feedback from the editor, so I'm trying to work through them. Make the spring more lenient is one of them, right? Some of them are just stuff that I want to work on, but I have yet to get there. Completing level without collectible has a confusing sound effect. Okay, I need to fix that. Oh, what's this music? How's your game going, Joffer? Seems like you make a lot of cool stuff. Right, that first person retro looking game that you're working on. That looks very cool. Steam Analytic Analysis. Oh, I have not seen it. Let me check. Ooh. Slay the Spire. Oh. A lot of these games are success titles, right? Nova Drift is another one. Successful titles. Slay the Spire is having 40% of users play it over 50 hours. Roguelike games. Very replayable. Actually, I think I'm done. For now. I guess I can make the spring more lenient. 740, right? Make springs more lenient. Should I? I mean, I'll just do it. Hang on. Let me just commit first. You commit my work. Come to the better engine. Joper does 3D, right? So I don't think he should come over to GameMaker. Unless you want to do 3D in GameMaker, but that is like... It's not built for that. I think it's just something people do because it's fun to challenge yourself. You type Godot. That's one hell of a spell checker. Cross button added in level transition UI. I guess that's about it, right? Oh, color code. Sorry, I just zoned out for a moment there. Not sure why. Color coded portal. What else did I do? Refactored music manager. You're kind of bad at both, but you feel more comfy programming. You know, people who says they are bad at programming are actually very good. Ah, that must be you. You must be amazing at coding. You know, like people like John. John is like one of the best programmer that I've ever worked with, right? If not the best, you know. But he's so insecure about his own abilities. Like he's so skilled, but he's so insecure. Like he's not. Like he don't think he's very good, you know. Maybe insecure is the wrong word, but you know, he just don't think he's very good, even though he is. Deal with me. Have I mentioned he's single-handedly ported the Space Jack to PlayStation 4, and we were using a Hex Fixer back then, right? I think at that point in time, the Hex Fixer hasn't properly supported the PlayStation, so he wrote like a lot of the backend code himself. So that was crazy. That was quite crazy. He's really good at stuff like that. John's brain on steroid, that's you. Wow. Amazing. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Oh wait, I'm supposed to adjust the hitbox, yeah. I'm just like going through all of the low-hanging fruits, trying to fix them up. You know, the thing is, when you're at 90% done, right? 90% of your way through the project, and then you're like picking at all the last few tasks left, right? There's always more to fix, you know? You fix one and then two more things appear that you feel like, hey, maybe I should change that. You fix that two, right? More appears. Damn it. Where's my spring? Let me search for it. There we go. You don't even need to do anchors for guns, you just need to offset it a little based on which gun is currently being held. Nice! Question, is it not possible just to use the origin? I mean, if your anchor point, if you have already coded the anchor point on the player, right? Then wouldn't it help just to change the origin of the guns and then snap it straight to the anchor point? Origin of the gun, I mean. Unless I'm misunderstanding how you went about it. Oh, you're talking about the right hand. Oh, my bad. I see. So when you say anchors for gun, you mean the position? Wait, what? How does it work? Oh, you mean wait, what? Oh. Okay, thanks for the follow, La Luz. Thanks for the follow. The point on the gun is at the trigger. Right. So the origin is at the trigger. But oh, you're saying that when you're holding on to the gun, the animation of the hand is different. Is that it? Oh well, I guess that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm currently on an aeroplane. No, the plane flew over. Wow, you can hear it. Yeah, this plane is so loud. Oh no, another one is here. What's up with the planes? One after another. Okay, I guess I can make the collider a little bit more lenient. I'll just do this 1 pixel leniency, how's that? Depending on which gun, for a sniper / shotgun, you shift the right hand over. And for the small gun like pistol, you shift it to be close. Oh! Right. Right. There's a lot of attention to detail right there. That's cool. That's very cool. I think it's paying off. It looks quite nice, right? That when you move around, then you can see that the hand is moving correctly and the gun is on the hand. It's all done very nicely. And you even have the firing point, right, on the muzzle of the gun. That was a nice touch. But I imagine that means you need different firing points for different guns, because like guns can be of different length, right? Yeah, big brain. So because of the nature of my part-time work, I have to check out Construct. And in Construct, you can apparently add the multiple anchor points to a single sprite, and that's pretty handy because like you can have an origin for the player sprite, right, and another point for where you want to hold a weapon. Yeah. It would be nice if GameMaker also supports that, then we don't have to, do it ourselves. That'd be pretty good. Construct is strong. I mean, I also do not like Construct, but there are aspects of it that is pretty nice, right? There are a few aspects of it that's pretty nice. And it can be taken over to, brought over to another engine, that would be great. You get the current sprite of the gun, get the box right and place the bullet there. Oh, that's smart. You use the hitbox to handle that. That's smart. That's good. Right, use the hitbox. Right, that's a good idea. Okay, I think I just adjusted the box more lenient. I'll put it under to test. There you go. I don't feel like doing it. It's almost 8, right? Maybe I should stop here. What should I do next? Let me see.
I just want to go back.
Cannon arrows. Okay, I'll leave this as... This one is... I'll look into that. Bounce pad causing enemy formation bug. A low priority bug. Not important. Level is still playable. Let me just ignore it for now. Moving wall spike collision issue. Top spike from the moving platform. Sometimes you can walk off it without getting killed. Yeah, things like this is what makes me want to rewrite my entire collision code. Doesn't matter what size the gun, it will always be in the right place. Nice. Cannon arrow should be drawn above spikes. I guess the bugs here are mostly low priority, so that's good. We don't have any breaking stuff. Render portal optimization. I can probably turn the portal into animated tile. What else? Guess that's it. Let me do a recap. Today's pretty much just bug fixing and some minor polishing. So what I've done is I adjusted the hitbox for the spraying. I did the color coding for the portals. Let's run it. Let's check the colors again. Check the colors again. I fixed a very specific issue in level 80 without writing code. Just shifting some elements around until it's fixed. What else? Some pause menu issue that is fixed. Mostly bug fixing, I guess. I did add like a sound effect for the back to level selection button. Right, the sound effect is done using Oscar Kyo, right? It's a tool by Terry Kavanagh from 6Vs and Super Hexagon. So this one. Yeah, it's just a very rudimentary sound effects to give additional feedback. Color-coded levels, let's see. Color-coded portals. Let's go there. There you go. So there's some color differentiation between each pair of portals. You can see this is purple, this is purplish blue, and then this is bluish. Needed to do that to make it clearer to the player what's what, you know. Alright, let me see if the swing still works properly. Yeah, it seems to work. World 10 is easier than World 9, by the way. Oh, damn. Oh, I know why. Wait, let me think. What's World 9 again? Where's my text file? Let me go to level 63. Oh really? World 9 is harder. World 9 is... what's World 9? Level 34. Is it because of the cannons? Let me see, 34. Oh, okay, these are both levels that users... how do I put it? These are both levels that do not introduce new mechanics. I see. See, level 70. Yeah, you're right. I think World 10 is a lot more linear. Level design is a lot more linear. It is. Should I make some changes to it? What's Doofus? Yeah, Lucius, let me think about this one. I may or may not fix it. I think partly because I'm still going to add on to more. I'm still going to add more words to it. Like there might be some slight fluctuation, but I might only fix it after I collect more data. Yeah, which reminds me, I need to probably implement game analytics into the game. So I can go to gameanalytics.com. I think what I'm going to use is gameanalytics.com. That will allow me to collect the gameplay data so I can adjust the levels from there. I may or may not adjust level from there. I don't know. I don't like. I don't particularly like relying on tools like this when making the level. I mean, it's important, yes, but there's a part of me that feels if I like keep relying on this, then it doesn't. The levels don't feel as personal anymore, if you know what I mean. Yeah, but I'll still collect this data anyway, just in case there is like a choke point, right, in the level. Like maybe a level is like way too difficult compared to the rest. Then I will try and see if I can fix it. Wait, what happened to the GameMaker SDK? Oh freak, they stopped supporting GameMaker? Oh yeah, it's here, it's here, it's here. It's here. It's just not popular. Goodness, it scared me. It's here, it's here. A lot of these SDKs don't support GameMaker, you know. They don't make it easy for them to support. I hope things will change for the better now. Because of you know, because Opera got it bought Yo-Yo Games. Doofus is a tactical turn-oriented, massively multiplayer online role-playing game. What the hell is that? Tactical turn-oriented, so turn-based. Tactical turn-based MMORPG. Wow. A French MMO. Wow. Stancer, I'm not sure if anyone here used Stancer. Lumberyard, that's the Amazon one, right? Okay, I think I'll call it here. Thanks for hanging around, man. Let me check who is streaming at the moment. Let me see. Who's streaming at the moment? No one I know is streaming at the moment. Damn. Let me just do a quick search. So yeah, anyway, today's pretty simple, just bug fixing. It's one of those days. Kubasco, what's that? Let me check. Ooh, I'm thinking of like, if I want to rate a smaller channel. Just a moment. That's small. Ah, I see. Alright then, I guess I will do that. Let me just take a quick look at the if there's anyone else. Okay, never mind. Let's do him. Okay. Hell is other demons. I know. Oh, I know his games. Holy crap, that's cool. Right. Yeah, that's what I meant. He has some following. Hello, Joffer. Yeah, we're ending stream. Soon. I'm just thinking of like who to rate. Preferably very small channel. Thanks for the stream. Hey, thanks man. Thanks for being here. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think we'll just go with Colorzor's suggestions. Yeah, I've seen his game. You know, Hell is Other Monster is like extremely stylish, and it was published by. Was it Congregate that published his game? I think it was. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for hanging around. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to run the outro, and then we'll raid. Let me just type raid. Need to remember how to spell the name. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll see you around. Bye bye.